So if the government wants to stabilize debt in period 2, that is, that debt should be kept at the level of period 1 forever, the government would like to have that B1 should be equal to B2. So if this is the case, we can replace our B2 with B1, because B1 should be equal to B2, and we know exactly what B1 is. So we can write B1 should be equal to 1 plus the real interest rate times B1 plus government spending in period 2 minus taxes in period 2. Okay, that is B1 plus the debt repayment plus government spending in period 2 minus taxes in period 2. So this here, R times B1, is the interest payment on existing debt. And we see here that we have B1 both on the left hand side and on the right hand side, so these two cancels out. So simplifying the expression, we get taxes minus government spending should be equal to the interest payment on existing debt in period 1. What is the debt in period 1? Well, we know from earlier that the debt to GDP ratio in period 1 is equal to 0.8. So the debt stock in period 1 must be equal to 0.8 times 675. So I get 0.8 times 675. That is 540. So 2% times 540 gives us 10.8. Since 10.8 is greater than 0, we know that this here is a primary surplus. So what is going on is that the government needs to run a primary surplus of 10.8 forever in order to stabilize debt in all periods. If the government runs a primary surplus that exactly offsets the interest payments on existing debt, then the debt stock will be kept constant forever if they keep doing this in each and every period.